Can you take an industrial tool tote like this one, made of polypropylene, and turn it into a very helpful home defense system? Yes, you can. And I'll show you how on this episode of the Tactical Celt. Polypropylene, a very helpful plastic used for lots of things. How about a nice little toolbox, shall we say, for storing all your home defense devices in it, in a down and dirty fashion. But not only that, take off the top, and not unlike a lot of the shields you've seen on news stories used by rioters these days, I figure, why not fight fire with fire, and use the Tote Lid as a shield in and of itself. As you can see here, I've used a cabinet handle, a little bit of hardware. You're not going to block bullets with it, but for the odd knife stab, etc., it'll keep you a bit safe, safer than otherwise. So, it's a rather sturdy little item, and as I say, it is something that might seem familiar from the newscasts you've been seeing over time of the various troubles in the streets. So, let's have a look at how you'd make something like this. I decided to design the shield using the lid of this tote in a sort of an oblong shape, similar to traditional Celtic shields of ancient times, like these seen here. Seems like a reasonable design. All of the materials I acquired to make this little kit, if you will, I got from Home Depot, but at the end of this video I will include the part numbers and the UPC codes so you can find these parts if you want to use the same ones, probably in any hardware store that is near you. So as you can see here, the handle that I use, it's a cabinet handle. It has washers, has two of the washers in the parts list on this side, that's the inside of the shield if you will, and two on the other side where the screw comes in to tie the whole thing together. So to clarify, that is a total of 4 washers on this side actually, and 4 washers on the other. There are 2 under each strut here of the handle, and so there's 2 on this side on one strut, 2 on the other strut on this side, and then the other 4 are used under the screw where it comes through on the other side or the outside of the shield. Here is the parts list that I promised. You may want to either pause the video to write all of this down or just do a screen cap for later reference. Well folks, I hope this helps you out a little bit. As I say, this is a down and dirty sort of a deal here. You put your devices of protection, shall we say, in the tote, pop off the lid, use it as a shield if you need it, and when you're done, put the whole thing back down on top. So, keep your family safe. Basically, take care of yourself, folks. I know we will, and our family. I reckon I'm ready. We'll see you next time on the Tactical Celt.